How to add the Game Center activity widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on the Edit button. Then from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Now from the widget list, we scroll down. In here, you want to tap on Game Center and then swipe to the left until you see it say Activity. In here, you can choose a small activity widget, a medium size or a larger size. So select a size and then we go down and tap on Add Widget. And this will get added to your home screen. Now tap on the Done button at the top to save the changes. And here said add friends or start playing game center games to see activity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.